Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check your OS version and free space so the live wallpaper runs smoothly. Next, open Settings or long press the home screen to reach wallpaper options. This is where you import or select live wallpapers. If prompted, allow motion and media permissions so animations and audio can function. Once done, choose the live wallpaper gallery or app and pick a candidate. This immediate action gets you into the workflow without extra waiting. You'll now select and fine-tune the live wallpaper. Preview it so you see how the animation and frame rate affect battery life. Make adjustments for playback triggers. Enable touch reactions, tilt sensing, or scheduled updates depending on the app, because these choices determine responsiveness and power use. Crop or scale the artwork to fit 16:9 or other ratios, and choose whether it applies to lock, home, or both screens. Once configured, save the version you want active and prepare to apply it. Apply the live wallpaper and immediately test interaction. Tap, tilt, and lock/unlock to confirm behavior. If it doesn't animate, reboot the phone first. This clears transient resource locks. Make sure battery saver is off and background activity is allowed. These commonly stop live backgrounds. If performance is poor, reduce frame rate or disable touch effects to save power. Finally, clear the wallpaper app cache or reinstall the app if crashes persist. This fixes corrupted assets and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.